Hello, hello, hello. It's me again. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Yep, you guys got me again today, and I am back at CVS. It seems like Avada doesn't want me to stay home today because they just keep popping up all these new rebates and all these good deals. And I thought I was going to be home relaxing on a Friday, but I can't. So I'm here at CVS. Turn my camera around so you guys can see here at CVS, and we're gonna do a money maker deal. This just popped up in my Ibotta maybe about 15-20 minutes ago, so I hopped off the couch and I said, okay, I gotta go do it so that they can take advantage of it, because I don't believe the sale is on next week. So we're gonna head on down the aisle, get the deal done, and get ready to save. So guys, again, if you haven't downloaded Ibotta, please do so. I put the link, I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. And when you redeem your first rebate, you're going to get an extra $10. So you're going to get $10 on top of whatever your rebate is. And then when you share your link with your friends and family, and they redeem their first rebate, you're going to get $10 and they're going to get $10. So guys, that is a great way to build up some extra couponing money, or just money for yourself. You can put that money in your checking account, you can put it in your PayPal account, or you can buy gift cards. Totally up to you how you want to get your money. But what I like about Ibotta is because the money is deposited into your account like within minutes. You don't have to wait like coupons.com. It maybe take, the longest I think I've ever waited for money was maybe like 4 minutes. That's it. That's how quick the money is put into your account. So I'm going to get off the whole Ibotta rant, and we're going to get ready to save. So go ahead and get your phones out so you can take some screenshots. Get your CVS app out so that you can look and see if you have some CRTs, and get your paper inserts out so that we can get some cool. Okay guys, so you know I came to the front of the store because the music was getting louder as I was going down the aisle. But it is so funny. I was coming here to CVS to do a deal because they have a deal right now where you spend $30 on certain feminine products, which were Summer's Eve, Midol, and you buy Kotex and you get $10 in extra bucks. That's a good deal. But then what makes the deal even better is because the Kotex, well, everything is buy one, get one half off, which I still thought that was a good deal. Then I have some coupons that you get. Let me turn the camera around so you can see them. $4 off when you buy 2 packs. Okay, and yes, they're expired, but we know we're within our 14-day window, so we can still use them. So I was planning on doing all that with my deal, and the icing that would have been put on the cake to make it even sweeter is that Ibotta, I told you when I came in the store, Ibotta had given me 2 rebates for Kotex pads. Well, when I went to scan to see which ones worked and which ones didn't, the rebates disappeared. Now, I don't know if they disappeared because it was a glitch and they were attaching, both rebates were attaching to 1 box of pads, which would have made each box that you got free, because there was a limit of 5 that you could do on the rebate. So I don't know if that's why it disappeared or what's going on, but this deal is still going to be a good deal. It's just not going to be as high of a money maker as I thought it was going to be, or as I had planned it out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the deal anyway. I'm still going to do the deal, and let's see how we make out. Okay guys, so these are all the You Buy Kotex that I grabbed. Maybe if I put the camera that way. So I grabbed some security pads, which were $24 in a pack. And again, they're buy one, get one free. These are like $4 and some. Then I got 2 of the Teens Ultra Thin pads. And then I got 2 of the Teens Ultra Thin, but it's a bigger box, the 24 count. And they're all overnight. And then just to get up to $30, actually I got to get to $31 because of my CRTs, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I got the liners, which are $1.99. So all of the pads are buy one, get one half off. So I'm guessing that I'm going to pay for the most expensive ones and get the cheaper ones half off. So these were like 7 something, these were 6 something, these were 4 something, and those were $1.99. So I'm absolutely fine with that. But I have 2, 4, 6. So I have 7 pads, but my coupons are $4 off 2. So I'm going to be able to use 3 of these coupons. So that's going to be $12 off my purchase. And then I have some amazing CRTs. So go through your CVS app and see what CRTs that you have. They might be specifically for You by Kotex, which I have, or they might be for pads and liners. So you see what you have. Let me show you what I have. So I have $3 off 15 any tampons, pads, or liners. $5 off 15 any You by Kotex. $4 off 16 any You by Kotex. And the rest are for other things. So I'm going to use the 4 off of 16 and the 5 off of 15. So that's $31. And all of my things add up to a little over $31. It's $31 and some change. So I'm going to get to $12 off with the coupons. Then I'm going to get the $9 off with my CRTs. Now, like I said, you may have some other CRTs, but you just have to go through and match them up to see what works. Okay, so 9 and 12 is 21, right? Plus, I'm going to get back $10 in extra bucks. So that's $31, right? So I should just be paying a couple cents for all 7 packs of these pads and liners. Now, this is where the deal gets even more special. If my Ibotta rebate comes back up, I'll get $2 for each one of these. So that's $14 more, okay? But we don't know if it's going to pop up, so I'm not going to count that. But if it does, I'm going to be in the money. But I do have a bunch of fetch rebates. And those fetch rebates are what's going to give me even more money and make this a money maker. So as you can see, here they are. I popped them up on the screen for you to see. Now I'm going to head out to the register, come back and show you my receipt, let you know how we made out. Okay guys, the deal turned out just as I thought it would. So there you see the 2 teen pads I got for $7.99 each. I got one for $7.99 and the other one was 50% off. Then I got 2 of the teen pads for $6.49. One was regular price, one was 50% off. Then I got 2 of the Maxi pads 24 count. One was regular, one was half off. And then to get to my $31, because of the CRTs I was using, I just picked up a small pack of liners for $1.99. Now guys, the trick to this, so that you don't get all the low ones half off, and I mean, I don't know if CVS does like ones, buy one, get one half off, or how, but what I did is all the ones that were like, I put them together and gave them to the cashier like that. So I gave her the 2 teen pads, then the overnight pads, 2 of those, then the other 2 overnight maxi pads, and then the last odd one. So here are my coupons I used. There's my 3 $4 off manufacturer coupons, and then there's my 2 CRTs, $5 off 15 and $4 off 16. And I was able to use those 2 threshold CRTs because it totaled $31, and that's what my total came to. So my out-of-pocket was $10.18. As you can see, I use gift cards to pay for that. I use Fetch gift cards to pay for these, so it wasn't any money out of my pocket. And I did get back my $10 in extra bucks. And then as you can see here, I also got $4.19 back from Fetch. And it is also tracking for the spend 30, so I can get more money back from that. So when you add the $10.18, $10.18 that I paid out of pocket, you subtract the $10 extra bucks, as well as the $4.10, excuse me, that I got back from Fetch. So that means this is a $3.92 moneymaker. So guys, go out, grab you buy Kotex products, make sure that you get your extra bucks, make sure you reach at least $30. Make sure that you look for your expired coupons so you can use those. Match it up with your CRTs. Check Ibotta, because you may have the rebates. Like I said, mine disappeared. But if they come back, I will have a money maker on my hands, an even bigger money maker. So guys, let me know if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Come back and let me know which ones you're going to do. And until the next time, keep on saving.